Hi, welcome to Edify Beauty. We have new subscription boxes that I am so excited to share with you. Think Stitch Fix mixed with Birchbox. It is the first one that is focused just on hair, and it is curated by a stylist just for you. So we have customized box options where all of the products are pre-selected by a team of professionals based on what we've known works for certain hair types or certain concerns. So we have different boxes like a curly box, a blowout box, damage repair box, boxes for men to help you achieve your goals if you know what you're looking for. And if you're just trying to find your new routine, or you've got a little more concerns, you've tried a lot of things, you can try a personalized box where we ask you about 30 questions about your hair, your lifestyle, the tools and things that you're working with at home, and then we build you something based specifically on those quiz results. All of our boxes come with tutorials, tips, and tricks on how to use the products to help ensure your best success. They also all come in a quarterly model so that we can get your feedback and customize your experience as we go. Because finding the right products for you and the right routines to use can be a journey, and we want to be here to help you on your journey to ensure your best chance of success. We want to help you learn to love your hair.